With my Sintra AI promo code, you can cut the price from this to this in just a few seconds. To get this exclusive Sintra AI deal, click the link below and you'll see for yourself just how much you'll save. The price really drops that much, and then you'll never need to worry about handling your client's social media plans, emails, or budgeting all on your own ever again. Sintra easily integrates with LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook, which allows for seamless and unique content scheduling and integration. And Sintra AI even automatically posts it, freeing up countless hours for your strategic goals, like business growth. Speaking of which, Sintra AI helped us reach out to our email lists, negotiate prices, and even helped us launch products. There are dedicated AI assistants for writing landing pages optimized for SEO and video scripts tailored for YouTube and TikTok. So if you ever need to improve your scripts, generate ideas for new ones, or maybe even outsource the entire process, Sintra AI can take care of it. However, if you're like me and you'd rather stay at the helm of your creative workflows, you might want help in other ways, like calculating costs and budgets. Sintra AI assistant Dexter can pull business insights directly from the data you share with him. During our own testing, we were able to track insights from up to 5 separate projects simultaneously, each with its own dedicated database. This kept our data organized and made Dexter's reports fast and accurate, as he was only drawing from the relevant information. In conclusion, I strongly recommend giving Sintra AI a shot. And with my Sintra AI promo code, you can cut down the price significantly, so there's never been a better time to try it out. I hope my Sintra AI demo was helpful, and if you feel like it, you can check out my more extensive Sintra AI review too. Again, don't forget to grab that Sintra AI discount. Thanks, and see you soon.